The legend is back, but not the way you expect. Toyota isn't reviving the old FJ Cruiser. Instead, it's bringing us something fresh, the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ. Smaller, tougher, built for a new generation of adventure seekers. In this video, we'll explore everything we know so far: design, performance, features, and why this compact 4x4 could shake up the off-road world. A new name, a new chapter. Toyota calls it the Land Cruiser FJ, sometimes nicknamed the Baby Land Cruiser. It's not a direct replacement for the FJ Cruiser that left US showrooms in 2014. This is something new, a compact off-roader designed to capture the spirit of the classic FJ40 while making it more affordable and accessible. After delays, it's finally set for a global debut in early 2026. The body is boxy and upright, a nod to the vintage FJ40. Round LED headlights sit inside square housings, with C-clamp running lights adding a modern twist. A bold Toyota grille sits front and center. Prominent fender flares, chunky bumpers, and a contrasting roof color complete the look. At the rear, a flat tailgate carries a full-size spare tire. With short overhangs and high ground clearance, it's clear this SUV is built for trails. In size, it measures about 177 inches long and 72 inches wide. Smaller than a RAV4, but far more rugged. Inside, Toyota mixes utility with modern comfort. Expect a simple, tough cabin with water-resistant seats, washable mats, and chunky controls you can even use with gloves. But technology is not ignored. An 8 to 12.3-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Toyota Safety Sense driver assist features. Higher trims, leather seats, ambient lighting, wireless charging, even a cool box in the console. Practical, rugged, but modern enough for daily driving. Powertrains will vary by market. Entry-level models may use a 2.7-liter four-cylinder with about 161 horsepower. For North America and Europe, a 2.4 turbo hybrid is expected, combining efficiency with stronger output. No EV version is planned at launch, despite Toyota's earlier compact cruiser EV concept. But the real story is capability. Standard 4x4, locking differentials, terrain select modes, and low-range gearing. This isn't just a lifestyle SUV, it's a serious off-roader. The best part is price. The Land Cruiser FJ could start at around $35,000 in the US. Higher trims might climb past $45,000, but that's still the most affordable Land Cruiser in the family. It's positioned to compete with the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Wrangler, even smaller Defenders. But with Toyota's legendary reliability, it could carve out a loyal fan base. So here it is, the 2026 Land Cruiser FJ. Compact, affordable, and packed with off-road DNA. It may not be the FJ Cruiser comeback we imagined, but it might be the one we need for this new era of adventure SUVs. What do you think? Will the Land Cruiser FJ live up to the legend, or is Toyota taking too big of a risk? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love off-road icons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More legends and future 4x4s are on the way.